Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video here at Daring Beefcake. I have this Lexus. This is an IS250 2008, and I'm just going to be changing the front wiper blades here. Now I've got my new front wiper blades. These are the ones, Bosch, and one is a 22 inch and the other one is a 20 inch. So the driver's side in this case scenario is the longer one, and I've got it here. You can just measure it against your old one to make sure you have the correct one. Now this one here looks slightly different to the one that's fitted. However, that shouldn't be an issue. All we need to do on this other one, it's basically, if you lift this little cover here, so let me try and get that cover up. It's not a difficult part to lift. I'm just showing you with my screwdriver how to lift it. Just lift it up, and that's gonna give you access to, so what we want to do is swing this, and then you want to press the little clip here, and as you press the clip, you push this back. So press it so it unclips, and then you can pull this back. So if it's been there a while, a bit of corrosion forms, and then obviously just gets a little bit stuck. Now the other thing to be careful with is that this particular type of blade sometimes can swing back, and if it does and this metal bit hits your windscreen, it will crack. And I know that because it's happened to me. So you get your new one, push it in there like so. So you just put it through the hole here and into the hook into that bit of the wiper that slides up like that, and then just slide it all the way up until it's secure. Next time you have to change this again, you will have to, some of them you press a little bit something here. Looks like this one doesn't, so this one you just may need to pull it back, and that's pretty much it really. So I have to do the other side, same procedure. And having said that, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. So thank you for watching.